The effects of a domestic violence conviction are long-lasting and far beyond what most people understand. Domestic violence is charged anytime there is some type of crime or offense that's charged or accused of somebody, and the relationship between the person who's accused and the person who's the named victim qualifies under the statute as a domestic violence relationship. Almost always, there's some combination in domestic violence charges of assault, more commonly disorderly conduct from an argument, criminal damage, something gets broken, or some combination of those. Domestic violence charges can be either misdemeanor or felony. Much more commonly they're misdemeanor, but they can rise to the level of being felony, and really it comes down to whether the underlying offense would be a felony or a misdemeanor. Domestic violence in general has devastating effects. A domestic violence conviction is looked at differently than many other misdemeanor offenses. If it has the domestic violence tag on it, it has caused people licensing issues if you're a professional, can cause you housing issues and things like that. But one of the biggest ones that it affects people incredibly negatively is that it actually removes your Second Amendment right to possess firearms for good. One of the most common questions we get in domestic violence offenses is, why is the case still moving forward if my husband or my wife or my boyfriend isn't pursuing charges? In Arizona, it is not the victim who presses charges, it is the state. Regardless of what the victim might want in a case, the prosecuting agencies in Arizona pretty much universally agree that it's their duty to continue to prosecute a case regardless of what the victim wants to do. At Grand Canyon Law Group, part of the empowerment that we give to our clients and their families is the ability to level the playing field and accomplish what their family wants to accomplish, regardless of what the state wants to do to them. The attorney that you decide to hire on your domestic violence case can make a complete difference on the outcome. Throughout the process, to have an attorney that's advising you on the effects that you might not know are there, but also how to avoid those things from happening, and that's what we do for our clients. If you're arrested and charged with a domestic violence offense, it is vital to get your attorney on board right away.